Hi friends. So you see this guy looks so cute, believe me. This is the SAAS and this is my final version and it's almost finished now, as you can see. Looks beautiful. Looks like a panda to me, by the way. Anyway, so it's beautiful looking and hopefully tomorrow I'm going to put some results. Um, a lot of you have asked me a question as to how I'm powering this. I mean, how am I interconnecting everything? So, tomorrow, if God gives me life, of course, tomorrow, if inshallah, if He gives me life, then I will make a video about interconnecting things, okay, especially where how I'm actually connecting this guy, which is basically a capsule here. I wonder if you can see it. Yeah, the small capsule here, and then it's being fed from phantom power. I mean, you put in phantom power, this guy gets power.